Now student, exercise 15b. First question is find the unknown angles in the given figure. So it is a triangle, unknown angles x and y, and you can see uh, two sides are equal. It is the symbol of equalization. So these two sides are equal. So it means this triangle is isosceles triangle. So what we will write, the given figure is an isosceles triangle, and we know that in an isosceles triangle base angles are equal. So base angles means if these two sides are equal, so base angles are x and y. So it means therefore x is equal to y. X is equal to y. So students, 80 degree plus x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of triangle. Sum of all angles of triangle. So in place of y or in place of x we can write y, or in place of y we can write x, because x is equal to y. So 80 degree plus x, we had written in place of y x, 180 degree. So 80 degree plus x, 2x is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. So 2x is equal to 100 degree. So x is equal to 100 upon 2. So x is equal to 50 degree. So students, value of x is coming 50 degree. So x and y, they both are equal. So x is equal to y is equal to 50 degree. It means value of x is equal to 50 degree, y also is equal to 50 degree. So we can divide this also 50 degree like this. Now students, see second part. First see in the figure that which two sides are equal. These two sides are equal, this one and this one. It means base angles are b and 40 degree. A is vertical angle or vertex angle. Base angles are b and 40 degree. A is vertex angle. So as I told you that in an isosceles triangle base angles are equal, so we will write b is equal to 40 degree. We will not write that much paragraph that we had written in first part. We will not write that, but this much is enough. B is equal to 40 degree. What we will write? Triangle is isosceles. Triangle is isosceles. So that's why B is equal to 40 degree. So we have to find the value of A also. So students, A plus B plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of triangle. So A plus, we can write the value of B, 40 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. So A plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. A is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. So A is equal to 100 degree. So students, value of A is coming 100 degree and B is coming 40 degree. So once right here, A is equal to 100 degree, B is equal to 40 degree is the answer. Now students, see part 4th. You can see this figure. These two sides are equal. it means A and B are base angle. They both are also equal. So it means as we have done in first part, in the same way we can solve second part. So we will write A is equal to B. Triangle is isosceles. That's why base angles are equal. So A plus B plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of triangle. So in place of B we can write A. So A plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 2A plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. A plus A 2A. So 2A is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. So 2A is equal to 100 degree. So A is equal to 100 degree upon 2. So A is equal to 50 degree. 2 5s are 10, 0. So students, value of A is coming here 50 degree. A and B both are equal. So B is also 50 degree. So angle B is equal to 50 degree. Therefore angle B is equal to 50 degree because they both are equal. Now students, we have to find the value of X also. So students, we can use angles on straight line property. Here this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. We can use angles on straight line property also, or we can use interior exterior angles property also. You can see here this angle is exterior angle, then opposite interior angles are this and this. So better to use interior exterior angles property of triangle. So we will do this side. So X is equal to A plus 80 degree. This X is equal to A plus 80 degree. Interior exterior property of triangle. So X is equal to value of A is 50 degree plus 80 degree. So X is equal to 130 degree. So students, now we have all the values that A is equal to 50 degree, B is equal to 50 degree, X is equal to 130 degree is the answer. Now move to the fifth part. You can see this angle is given 86 degree and this angle we have to find. So both are exterior angle and these two sides are equal. So it means these two are base angle. These two are base angle. This angle and this angle. So we can let the base angle of triangle be x degree each. Means this angle is x degree, this angle is also x degree, because in an isosceles triangle base angles are equal. So students, see, x degree plus x degree is equal to 86 degree. X degree plus x degree, interior angle, then 86 is exterior angle. So what we will write? Interior exterior angle property of triangle. So 2x degree is equal to 86 degree, x degree is equal to 86 degree upon 2, 2 4 the 8, 2 3 the 6. So x degree is equal to 43 degree. So student, these two angles 43 degree, this also 43 degree. So now we have to find the value of P. So by using angles on a straight line, we can find the value of P. So see, P plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. Angles on straight line. So P plus x degree, we have this value 43 degree is equal to 180 degree. So P is equal to 180 degree minus 43 degree. So P is equal to 10 minus 3 7, then 17 minus 4 13. 137 degree is the answer. Now students, see third word problem. The angle of vertex of an isosceles triangle is 100 degree. Angle of vertex is given of an isosceles triangle, that is 100 degree. Find its base angles. So students, at the right side we will draw a triangle. These two sides are equal. As I told you in the previous question, this angle is vertex angle. This angle is vertex angle, and base angles of an isosceles triangles are, these two are base angles. Base angles are equal in an isosceles triangle. So how we will solve this question? This angle is given 100 degree. This angle is given 100 degree, and base angles are equal. We know that in an isosceles triangle base angles are equal. So since the base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal, so therefore, so let the base angle of an isosceles triangle be x degree each. The base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal. So let the base angle of an isosceles triangle be x degree each. It means this angle is x degree, this angle is also x degree. So x degree plus x degree plus 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. Means sum of all angles of triangle. So students, 2x degree plus 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 2x degree is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. So 2x degree is equal to 80 degree. X degree is equal to 80 degree upon 2. So x degree is equal to 40 degree. So value of x degree is coming 40 degree. So what we will write? Therefore, base angles is equal to x degree each. It means 40 degree each is the answer. So now, student, I hope third solution is clear. Move to the fourth sum. One of the base angles of an isosceles triangle is 50 degree. Find its angle of vertex. So first of all, we will draw a triangle at right side. So as you already know, these two sides are equal because triangle is isosceles. This angle is vertex angle and these two are base angle. So one angle is given 52 degree. One base angle is 52 degree. It means other base angle is also 52 degree. So what we will write? Since the base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal. So therefore other base angle is also 52 degree. Then we have to find the vertex angle. So let the vertex angle be x degree. So this angle is x degree. So now we will use the sum of all angles of triangle property. X degree plus 52 degree plus 52 degree is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of triangle. So students, you have to find the value of x degree, then that will be the vertex angle. What is asking in the question? Find its angle of vertex. So that vertex angle will be the answer. So find the answer, comment the answer in comment box. Now students, see fifth question. In an isosceles triangle, each base angle is 4 times of its vertical angle. Each base angle is 4 times of its vertical angle. Find all of the angles of triangle. So first of all, we will draw a triangle. These two sides are equal. So what is the condition in the question? Each base angle is 4 times of its vertical angle. So the relation of base angle is given with vertical angle. So let the vertical angle be x degree. So therefore each base angle is equal to, what is written here? 4 times of its vertical angle. So 4 times of x degree. So it means 4x degree. So now students, this angle we have vertical angle x degree, and this angle is 4x degree. This angle is also 4x degree. So we can find the value of x now. So x degree plus 4x degree plus 4x degree is equal to 180 degree. You have to write here by yourself sum of the all angles of triangle. So x degree plus 4x degree plus 4x degree, 9x degree is equal to 180 degree. X degree is equal to 180 degree upon 9. So x degree is equal to 9 to the 18 and 0, 20 degree. So value of x is coming 20 degree. So what is asking? Find all the angles of triangle. So vertical angle is equal to x degree. It means 20 degree. Then each base angle is equal to 4x degree is equal to 4 multiply 20 degree. It means 80 degree. So I hope fifth solution is clear. Next, seventh. The base angle of an isosceles triangle is 15% more than its vertical angle. So first of all, we will draw a triangle. These two sides are equal. So vertical angle and base angle. So student, what is the condition? The base angle of an isosceles triangle is 15% more than its vertical angle. So let the vertical angle of triangle be y degree. So therefore each base angle, because triangle is isosceles, so base angle will be equal. So each base angle is equal to, what is the condition? 15% more than its vertical angle. So vertical angle is y degree. So 15% more. So 15% more means y plus 15%. So students, this angle is y degree, then this angle is y degree plus 15 degree, this angle is also y degree plus 15 degree. So students, see, y degree plus y degree plus 15 degree plus y degree plus 15 degree, first angle, second angle, third angle, is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of triangle, sum of all angles of triangle. So y degree plus y degree plus y degree, 3y degree, 15 degree plus 15 degree, 30 degree, is equal to 180 degree. So 3y degree is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree. So 3y degree is equal to 150 degree. So y degree is equal to 150 degree upon 3. So y degree is equal to 3 5s are 15 and 0 50 degree. So value of y degree is coming 50 degree. So what is asking in the question? Find its each angle. So vertical angle is equal to y degree. So it means 50 degree. Then each base angle is equal to y degree plus 15 degree. So it means 50 degree plus 15 degree. It means 75. 15 degree plus 15 degree. It means 5 1 6 65 degree. 50 degree plus 15 degree means 65 degree. Eighth question. The vertical angle of an isosceles triangle is 3 times the sum of its base angle. So first of all, students, draw a triangle. Vertical angle and base angles. These two sides are equal. So the vertical angle of an isosceles triangle is 3 times the sum of its base angle. So let the one of base angle of triangle be x degree. So therefore other base angle is equal to base angle is equal to x degree, because a triangle is isosceles, we know this. So this if this angle is x degree, it means this angle is also x degree. So now we have both the base angles in terms of x. So what about the vertical angle? So therefore vertical angle is equal to, what is the condition of vertical angle? Vertical angle of an isosceles triangle is 3 times the sum of its base angle. So first of all, do the sum of base angles, means x plus x degree, multiply 3. So we can do here 3. So 3 multiply x plus x, 2x degree. So it is coming 3 to the 6x degree. So students, now we have all three angles in terms of x. So what we will do? 6x degree plus x degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of triangle. So students, after this what is asking? Find each angle. So after this you have to solve yourself, find the value of x, then find each angles, then comment the answer in comment box. Now ninth question. The ratio between a base angle and a vertical angle of an isosceles triangle is 1:4. Find each of the triangle. So see, let the base angle and the vertical angle be x degree and 4x degree. Here better to write one base angle. Let the one base angle and the vertical angle be x degree and 4x degree. So students, see, one base angle, this angle is x degree, then vertical angle is 4x degree. So as you already know, the base angles are equal. So this, if this angle is x degree, so this angle is also x degree. So what we will write here, therefore other base angle is equal to x degree. We will write here triangle is isosceles. So student, we have all three angles in terms of x. So 4x degree plus x degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of triangle. So 4x plus x 5, then 6x degree is equal to 180 degree. X degree is equal to 180 degree upon 6. So x degree is equal to 6 3 is 18, 0, 30 degree. What we have to find each of the angle of triangle, each angle of triangle. This we have to find. So base angle, one base angle is equal to x degree, it means 30 degree. So other base angle is equal to x degree, it is also 30 degree. Then vertical angle is equal to four x degree. So it means 4 multiply 30 degree is equal to 120 degree. So students, we have all three angles, 30 degree, 30 degree, 120 degree. So now student, move to the next 10th sum. This question is very important for your exam. So in the given figure, BI is the bisector of angle ABC. This angle is ABC, this angle, this, and BI is the bisector. Bisector means line bisect the angle in two equal half. CI is the bisector of angle ACB. CI is the bisector of angle ACB. Find angle BIC. So we have to find the measure of this angle. So students, first of all, see triangle ABC. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. So it means angle B and C are also equal because base angles of triangle. So what we will write here, in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, let angle B is equal to x degree. Therefore, angle C is equal to x degree. We will write triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. That's why base angles are equal. So this angle is x degree, this angle is also x degree, this angle is 40 degree. So by using the sum of all angles of triangle property, we can find the value of x degree. See, 40 degree or angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of triangle. So 40 degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. So 40 degree plus 2x degree is equal to 180 degree. 2x degree is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree. So 2x degree is equal to 140 degree. X degree is equal to 140 degree upon 2. So x degree is equal to 2 7 the 14 and 0 70 degree. So value of x, this complete angle is coming 70 degree, this complete angle, and this angle is also 70 degree. So it means angle B is equal to x degree is equal to 70 degree. Angle C is equal to x degree is equal to 70 degree. But in the question what is asking? Find angle BIC. So now students see, in triangle BIC, angle IBC is equal to, angle IBC means only this much portion is equal to angle B upon 2. Angle B upon 2. Why? BI is the bisector of angle ABC. So it means IBC 70 degree upon 2, it means 35 degree. Then in the same way, angle ICB is equal to angle C upon 2. It means 70 degree upon 2. It means 35 degree. For this angle, CI is the bisector of angle ACB. So students, you can see in triangle BIC we have this angle 35 degree. This angle is also 35 degree. Then we can find the measure of this angle. See how. Angle IBC plus angle ICB plus angle BIC is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of triangle. So IBC we will put 35 degree plus this angle is also 35 degree plus angle BIC as it is 180 degree. So 70 degree is equal to 70 degree plus angle BIC is equal to 180 degree. So students, angle BIC is equal to 180 degree. 70 degree is positive in LHS. Move to RHS, minus 70 degree. So angle BIC is equal to 110 degree. So students, value of angle BIC is coming 110 degree.